Michael Williams here, White Label Consulting. Different view today. I didn't want to use the main camera, so I'm using the side view camera. That's a G7. This is a GH4. You can get this on mpb.com for about $350 right now. Solid camera, so it's just a different view. We're going to pick up part 2 of our OBS University, getting your live stream set up. I'm going to go over to my tutorial screen here. In our last screen, we set up, and actually let me go into my pre-show real quick. Our last scene, we set up several things here, and I'll zoom into the I'll zoom right here real quick. Hold on. So I will actually switch over to our screen. In our last segment, we actually got all of our scenes set, and let me zoom in right here so you can see it. We had the pre-show set right here that has a countdown timer in it. We did our main scene with our camera, and we did a split screen where we put our camera in the upper right hand corner, or probably somewhere on the screen, and our monitor. Right now, that's what we have set up. Post show, we haven't set anything up yet, but we are getting ready to go into the settings so you can get ready to stream. So now I'm gonna go over here and I'm click on settings. And settings is going to give us the opportunity to actually set up our stream. And let me make sure I zoom into the right location. Zoom middle, there we go. And actually I'm gonna go in here and change this up real quick. I'm gonna put that right there. Okay, so I'm gonna go into my main settings here, and as you can tell, we have set the general before to basically didn't change anything here on the general settings. I didn't think we needed to. On advanced, we did recommend that you do turn on your automatically remux to MP4 right here. That just allows you to make sure that your file format is converted to the right file format, right? And we clicked apply. And what happens is we talked about being able to go into the stream output, actually the output, and on advanced. We changed this recording to MKV because in that way, if your computer loses power or something like that, then it will save whatever has been recorded, versus MP4, you lose your entire recording. So that's why we go into advanced and we change this setting right here to automatically remux to MP4. And the output, we want to actually start setting up the stream. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to go to stream real quick, and we are going to choose YouTube. And there's two ways to do it. You can connect your account, or you can use your stream key. I'm going to click use stream key. I'm going to actually tab over to my YouTube page that I have already set up. And actually, let me go here back to the tutorial. I'm going to go to my YouTube screen that I already have on one of my channels that's loaded up. I'm going to go right here to where it says stream key. I'm going to copy this. I'm going to go back to OBS, and I'm going to paste this in here. Once I do that, I'm going to click apply, and we should be ready to go. So I click OK. On your OBS, your YouTube live control panel is going to pop up. That's more of a bit of an advanced feature that I don't want to use that, so I'm going to close that dock. But essentially, we're set up to stream. Now I need to be on my main show, and actually I can be on my pre-show. I'm going to be on my pre-show. My pre-show is actually going to just run a looped countdown, and I'm going to hit start streaming. Once I go over to my my YouTube page, right, and I'm going to click edit for a minute. I want to make this unlisted because I don't want anybody to see what we're doing right now. So I'm going to click OK, so nobody will see this, but we are streaming. So as you can see, I'm going to tab up over to my OBS. I click stream, and we're set up to stream here, and we are streaming live on this platform. Obviously you want to change the channel, but this is just a test stream that we're doing right now. So that's how you stream to YouTube. I'm going to stop the stream here. I'm going to end the live stream here, and the next we're going to go over to back to OBS, and I'm going to click on settings again. This time I want to change the stream output to Facebook. I'm going to show you how to get your stream key on Facebook. So I'm going to choose Facebook Live. Now if you hit get stream key, it will open up your default browser and try to give you a stream key. I'm already actually set to do this. I have my live stream open here on my Facebook. I'm gonna just click on Facebook. This is just my regular channel. Just actually to my dummy channel for my churches that I work for. I have an extra Facebook, that way if something happens and they get disconnected, they are able to get plugged back into the Facebook stream without me having to log into my personal account. So I'm going to click on here and click go live right here, and right here it is going to give me a set of variables that I want to change. Right, first thing I want to do is I want to change this to streaming software, and then right here you will get a stream key. You want to glue on advanced settings. You want to use persistent stream key, and the reason you want to do that is so you don't have to copy the stream key all the time. I'm gonna hit copy on that. I'm gonna go over to OBS. I'm going to click here and hit paste, Control V, and I'm gonna click apply, click OK. Now on Facebook you do have to put a title in here, so I'll put sample title, and I will also put sample description. And nobody really watches this page. It's, like I said, a dummy account. And once I click start streaming, what you will see here is on the upper left hand corner, it says one of three things need to be accomplished. One, you have to complete the post details, which I have done. Then you have to connect your video source. I've connected my video source via the software platform that I chose up here, which is OBS, or it can be another software. And as you can see here, we are now live on Facebook as well. You're actually not live yet. Let me interrupt this video. You have to click the go live button in the bottom bottom left hand corner of the screen to actually go live on Facebook. You were just connected. So let me clarify that. You're not live. You need to click go live to be live on Facebook, and then you will be live. Back to the video. So this is my stream that's running. I'm running at 2413 kilobits per second. I kept saying frame rate, last video was bit rate. So now that is how we are live on Facebook, and how we are live on that's how we are live on Facebook, basically. So that is discard and exit. So that's how you get your stream key here, right here in YouTube right here. And this is how you get, if you click on live, this is how you get your you click go live here. This is how you get your stream key. The reason you need to get those stream keys again is so that you can be live onto platforms, or be live on the platforms. So that's the simple way to get your stream key on Facebook and get your stream key on YouTube, so you can go streaming on your platforms. Again, you want to make sure that your platforms are listed as public on your YouTube, because if they're listed unlisted, no one will be able to see them. And you want to make sure on Facebook that you do not click test broadcast, because if you do that, then what happens is that no one will see the broadcast except the admins. So that's step 2 of getting to stream just to simple platforms for your podcast. I know this was a shorter video. We're going to get into part 3 later, which is going to be a little bit more advanced on how to add some more features and add some more design to your podcast instead of what we just did simply. And once we get into that, we'll get into some more advanced features. That's a short video for today. Thank you for watching. God bless, and you guys have a great day.